2020 Renault Master with 116,000 miles. This one is the L3, one company owner, comes with backed up service history, had a clutch about 20,000 miles ago. As you can see by the bodywork, this one's nice and clean, never had no repairs. Also has the slam locks, deadlocks. It's got 4 Michelins all around. This is a nice clean van, ready for work. This will come with a major service, 12 months MOT. Also just had recent discs and pads on the rear. As you can see by the interior, this isn't an abused van. It's nice and tidy throughout. Comes with 2 full sets of keys with the deadlock keys. Also comes with a floor mat for the front and a spare tyre. If you have any inquiries, drop us a message or give us a call.